Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to settle a bill with multiple payments. So you have got two options. One is in the POS and the other one is in the sale or invoice profile. So I'm going to start with the first one, that is in the POS, and this only applies if you have got the rights to settle a bill. That means you must be a cashier or someone with a higher role and given the rights to settle a bill. Now, the first option, if you go to the POS terminal, you can select items and add them to the cart. Then you have this particular payment button that appears here. It only appears if you have got the rights to receive payments against this particular bill. So if you click payment, it will give you this particular form. Now, in this particular form, you can add this particular or distribute this particular amounts appropriately into this particular payment amounts. So the total amount is 220, and we have got this particular amounts here. I can say I'm paying this in 100 shillings, and then the balance that I have here, which is 120, I'm going to pay it in till or that on that particular payment mode. If I want a reference, I'll just put it in this particular reference section, and then I just click place order. So that is a cash sale, and if I visit the sales and open the sales list, I'll see that particular sale here. It is this particular sale. If I open it, just click the bill number, it will open, and I'll see here what the soda 500 ml and Minute Maid, and the total was 220. I've paid that in cash and in till. So that is the first option on how to receive payment or multiple payments against one bill. Now, the second option that we see is in the sale or invoice profile. Now, I already made a sale here. I already made a credit sale. This was a cash sale. I already made a credit sale and is under the sales list. And you can see this particular sale has got a balance of 220. So this is an earlier non-made sale. I'm just going to open it, and this is mainly where the cashier, the person in settling these particular bills, will be interacting with. This is the page they'll be interacting with. So once I open this particular sale profile, I'll scroll downwards and I'll see this particular receive payment form. Now, in this particular receive payment form, I can specify how I've received the 220. I can say I've received 50 or 50 through maybe KCB, that is a bank, which is a payment mode, and I can give it any reference of my choice. Of course, this is the reference of payment, and I can even say that the balance, which is 170, I have received it through cash, and of course if it is cash, there's no transaction code. Then I just click receive payment. So once the payment has been cleared, or the balance has been cleared, then that particular form automatically disappears. You can never see it again. It will disappear. So I have got my KCB here 50 shillings, and of course my cash 170, totaling to 220. So those are the two ways of settling a bill. That is either at the point of sale, that is if you have got the rights, or at the back end in the sale profile, you can still clear that particular sale using the multiple payment options that you have. If it is one payment option, you just select that, pick that particular single payment option, of course against the amount, and it will still settle that particular bill or even invoice. So thank you, and stay tuned for our next video.